Hello everyone, this is the Mighty Quinn just coming at you. Had a little idea to put together a track from intro to finish, put each track together, bass line, chords and things like that. I'm going to start with a house beat. It's going to be a house, underground house track. So check me out, and today I'll be using the I guess you can have here the Motif rack. You see the Motif rack there. Yeah, and I'll be using the garage drum tracks, the drum sounds, and I will be recording it onto a Tascam hard disk recorder. So here we go. And now I'm just laying the garage drum track. Record about a minute of it. Just to get the basics down. Now I'm just going to lay a bass line, real thick sine bass on here. Check it out. Well, right now I'm going to use a change. I'm gonna change up the drum kit, and I wanted to get these open hi-hats, well, closed hi-hats, and one closed hi-hat and one from the techno kit in the Motif rack. So I'm going to play that onto the track. All right, here we go. Okay, Mighty Quinn back. We doing the chords on this track, and again, changing up the sound to the organ, and it's the 16/8 5-in-1 organ on the Motif rack. So that sound there. So, and we're gonna put that on there for the chords. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, the Mighty Quinn. Yeah, came up with a chorus idea for this joint, and it goes a little something like this. Check it out, check it out. Hold on. Kick it off, kick it off. This is my life. I can do what I want to do, say what I want to say, go where I want to go. It's my life. I can do what I want to do, say what I want to say, go where I want to go. This is my life. I can do what I want to do, say what I want to say, go where I want to go. This is my life. I can do what I want to do, say what I want to say, go where I want to go. This is my life. I can do what I want to do, say what I want to say, go where I want to go. Your life. I can do what I want to do, say what I want to say, go where I want to go. This is my life. I can do what I want to do, say what I want to say, go where I want to go. This is my life. Oh yeah, Mighty Quinn, peace out. Just a little instructional on how to do production using the Motif rack. I actually used the Tascam and hard drive recorder, 32 track. Then I use the Roland on the keys for the controller of the Motif rack. So peace. I'm out of here. This is my